How to contact WhatsApp customer service. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In order to contact WhatsApp customer service, the procedure is quite simple. All you have to do is update your application first of all. Also make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Now to begin with, first thing first, open up your WhatsApp application and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap the three dot icon from the top right and click the settings button. While you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find help. Here you'll need to go ahead and select help center, where you can find a lot of articles and all sort of thing. Or else what you can do is you can also go to contact us. You can just go ahead and type in the queries and tap the next button. As soon as you send the message, you'll be able to receive a service or the information accordingly. So in this way you can contact WhatsApp customer service. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.